Hello boys and girls, I'm Hiking Viking and today I'm going to Via Ferrata, also known as Klettersteig. This one is going to be in Gadmen. It's the oldest Via Ferrata in the whole Switzerland. It's called Tälliwand and it's 600 meters long and it should be really awesome. So I'm totally hyped and motivated to go there. Come with me, stay along, we'll be there. Here I am in the Tälliwand. This is almost fully automated cableway going up the hill, and I'm going to do my Via Ferrata up there. Looks amazing, looks really amazing. Here I was pressing, just Scotty beamed me up, and then the thing started to run. Absolutely beautiful. This is Bernese Highlands. This is so cool, this is so awesome. You know, living in a place like this, or 2 hours from the place like this, I have to, you know, take advantage of it. Yeah, I'm here at the Tällihut, and what do we have here? What do we have here? Proud Rega helicopter. This chopper is saving lives here on the mountains and also in other places around Switzerland. So remember, if you ever come here, 1414 is the telephone number and you get a ride with this kind of chopper. It's not for free though, just that you know. Up we go! So, as you can see, I'm wearing like red clothes today. Red today. There's two reasons for that. First of all, those guys with the chopper, the Rega team, they can find me easier when I'm hanging on that bloody wall somewhere and I have lost my ropes or whatever, you know? And the second reason is that you cannot see how red my skin will be, because also my clothing is red, so you know, that's the story about that. But yeah, not always black, sometimes red. So, after walking for ages, I really don't like those approaches. I have reached the starting point of Via Ferrata, and as you can see, here it starts. First the first, and then the second. This is the way it goes. On the Via Ferrata. This is still the easy one, so I can use my camera. But you know, on that vertical wall, no chance. If someone is missing their climbing belt from Betzel. It's here. So come and get it. Look how cool this place is here. And I'm being accompanied by butterflies. Oh, this place is awesome. This place is so beautiful. Oh yeah. Showing kids how to do Via Ferrata. Because of the camera, I'm probably doing it totally wrong, but you know. The main thing is to hang there and have the security Via Ferrata set. Use it. And in any kind of climbing, don't hurry. You know, if you are hurrying, if you try to do some kind of speed record, in my opinion, you are not respecting the mountain. You must respect the mountain. If you don't respect the mountain, you don't deserve to be up here. Been there, done that. Going there, doing that. Ah, fudge! Oh, I'm maybe in the middle, but the air is so thin up here. It's hard to breathe. And to be honest with you guys, I'm not that fit. But anyway, it's beautiful. Sun is shining again. And as you can see, there's still quite a bit vertical to go up, up, up. Yeah. So better get going again. Ah! All the Boy Scouts. I'm 1 hour on the wall now. And I found a really great place. Here's like some benches to have a pause. So I think I'm having my pause now. You know, I could go further, but I'm a bit tired after 1 hour of climbing, and the fact is, when you're tired, you make mistakes, and I'm not ready to die today.
Smoking outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by someone in the corner. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
This place is awesome! Hell yeah! Here I am in this hole of the mountain. It's quite a drop down there. We'll take a look.
I know that we just met the other night. But I can't get
Hello.
off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about
Zigzag, zigzag.
special. Pretty
Yeah.
minute that I met you.
You should never do that. I'm in 2,353 meters right now. That's pretty fucking high. Down there, if you can see, is the road. That's the road where I was driving with my car. The car is parked down there. From there I came a little bit, of course, high with the cable car, but yeah, here I am up here. This is another bench. Well done, I can have my pause. And this here, my friends, is a piggy bank where you can put some money inside and pay something for them to take care of this great Via Ferrata. So actually this is the one if you want to like pay to the bank. Here you can write your name, which I'm probably going to do as a hiking Viking. And here is the piggy bank. Please help us to maintain this 1993 built Via Ferrata, that it's also here in the future. We did renovate it 2014 and there is still some things to do. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, I will totally pay something for the Bergführerverein Haslital. Yeah, this is awesome. This place is awesome. Shit! It's not over until the fat lady sings. I thought it's done. And now I'm getting higher and higher. See? This is the drop, if you can see something. So foggy up here. And it's still going higher. I'm now in 2,393 meters. And going higher. So 2-4 easily, even higher. We'll see where this is ending. Going higher.
Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. pass through with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling
This place
just come a
is
little
pure,
closer. I'll be there
pure
for you,
poetry.
I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you
I'm in the clouds,
won't you
but I can feel
till we fall asleep.
the sun
Night is young,
warming through.
sing for me.
Oh yeah,
Won't you sing for me till we fall
soon,
asleep.
soon.
Night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for
Oh yeah.
till we fall asleep. The night is young,
Oh my God.
won't you sing for me? We do it
Check
on
this
repeat.
out. Whew.
Do it on repeat.
And this is the top of this Klettersteig. Ah. I fucking did it on the top. How awesome is this? How high is this? 2,444 meters. This is fucking awesome. And that's Haslital behind there. Woo! This is awesome! Thank you for coming with me, joining with me on this Via Ferrata. I hope you could even catch the glimpse of how exciting it was, how beautiful it was, and how high I am right now. Be sure to like this video, be sure to subscribe my channel Hiking Viking, saying thank you, hail Odin, ciao.